Hello traders, ODK here. Go ahead and jump right into it. Today is October 28th, 2009. Pre-market about 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. We are down as far as the futures are concerned, but I'm willing to bet my left leg that this is probably the bottom. About 80% sure of that. I'm thinking that from here we will go ahead and retrace this. This is a 50% retrace. What you're seeing now, this decline, it's a 50% retrace of almost to the T of where of this big run up. I'll show it real quick with the Fibonacci retracement. See if I can get that in. From this low to this high. Where's the 50? You can see right here that this is about a 50% retrace to the T. That's pretty bullish. If we bounce here, that would mean that we would make 2 times this leg, but to the upside, putting us around, if that's 2 times to the upside, then around here would be my next target to just start looking at, so that, let's see, about right here, I would say that the 1145 area would be my next target for the next top. So, that we would make a kind of a sinusoid type motion, like a sine curve. Go ahead and delete these out of here. Sorry about that. Just delete all. Get them back. Alright. Sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now as far as the S&P 500s are concerned. I'm thinking that today we'll go ahead and make a motion to the upside. Going in on a 5-minute, we are seeing some strength with the green candles. We hadn't seen that in the days in the past, well, maybe right here, but when we saw that, we got a substantial move higher. We were good for about 2 or 3 points on the S&P. But that's not the real story. The real story, as we've been seeing lately, as of late, is the dollar, and the dollar is perfect right here. This is a perfect snapshot of a double top count. We've come up and zoom back out some, but we've come up from down here as we've retraced that same motion that we just seen in that S&P. This would be when the S&P was going up, the dollar was declining, and then the dollar got strength and it started going up, right? Well, right here, this motion right here, we're putting in a double top at the same time that the S&P is putting in like a quadruple or a triple bottom. You could see that right here, even though it went a little farther, excuse me. We're putting in a bottom down here as well. I like to think that we're gonna go ahead and incline on the S&P 500s. The VIX will probably pop up in the morning, getting around here to yesterday's high, and sell off from there. Probably about midday to the close. That's what I'm looking for, at least. And the equities that I am trading, as you know, Google. Go ahead and take this pre and post market data out. It looks like it should be rising soon. This is the 50 the 50 EMA exponential moving average. That's what that stands for. It's just the average of all the price action. But it's looking like, if we could get over this 561 area, that'd be pretty bullish, and we could go ahead and make some ground to the high side. Oh yeah, and Amazon. Wouldn't want to forget about Amazon, as it's extended right now. But Amazon, it is extended, but I am counting on this is where it'd be good to see the pre and post market data. We've based it nicely around the 30 EMA. We put in a double bottom over here, down here on the MACD. And I'm hoping that we could just roll upwards. As you see that everything down here on the MACD, all these yellow lines reside on a line. You see that line I just paced? We bounce, 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 and we might come down here after market and bounce, having a nice run up. If we could get a spike like this, well, that would just extend this long action here way up here somewhere. I'd probably sell out around one, technically we could go way to 175. This is a 50-point move right there. So 50 in that is 175. I'd probably try to play it safe and get out around 140. But yeah, that's the move that I'm seeing. I think that about wraps it up as far as what I'm looking at pre-market. I'd like to let you guys know, anybody that's listening to me about trading, pay attention to tech today. Android phones, the Google Android operating system on the back of Motorola phones. Verizon will be releasing one of those today. And also with yesterday, the smart grid rollout as far as companies like Cisco and GE. I did go ahead and make a little editorial about that on my blog, right here at TradersOwn.blogspot.com. Go ahead and take a look. I hate that they put random videos on there, but I like it when they keep mine over there. I also have them all, all of this week's videos on there if you wanted to go back. And I also like to give props to freetradingvideos.com. You could come here and get more technical analysis right here. They're pretty good about that. Plus, I'm usually in the forums. You can find me throughout the forums writing about this and that. We like to stay, And they also have chats. I'm not sure if you'll see anybody in there now. Nobody's in there now, but when the market opens, usually you can find people in the chats. These are our old conversations and whatnot, keeping each other abreast about what's going on in the market. And I think that's about it. Trade well, trade smart, trade on. ODK out.